let's make hard bass. Let's set the tempo to somewhat around 160 BPM, and start with a heavy kick like this. Then I'll use a heavy dance clap from my sample pack. Some open hi-hats. Some closed hi-hats. Some are filler claps. A crash. And some rides. As for the bass, which is the main element, hard bass uses this bass called a donk. So I'll use a donk sample I found and make a bouncy bass line. I feel like the bass is not strong enough, so I'll layer another bass to this from my Serum preset pack Technomorphia. Guys, if you want to get the Serum preset pack which has more than 100 presets, and my drum sample pack with more than 200 samples, check out the link in the description. Also, use the discount code TECHNO4 on the Serum pack for a special discount during February. If you can get the pack, I'll highly appreciate it and will be a huge support. The link's in the description. I'll link both of these to a mixer channel and add some EQ to dip around 70 Hz. And add some saturation. And let's side chain this to the kick using a limiter. Now, let's record the first note of the bass. And reverse it like this to create a gliding effect. Next, let's use this acid sound from my Serum preset pack to create a simple rhythm like this. I'll take the lows off from this. and add some stereo widening. Now we need a vocal. It's great if you can find a Russian vocals sample. Since I don't have one, I'll use this tonal shot. And adjust it to follow the acid like this. Let's just add some reverb to this. Now let's add a simple melody to go in the background. Let's use this stab from the Serum preset pack and make a sort of synth fill like this. Let's loop this part for another 12 bars, and at the end of the drop, let's change the drums a bit. Since the drop is now done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the kick, the acid, and the vocal. And add the open hi-hats, the rides, and the plucks after 8 bars. I'll also use the crash to transition into the build-up. At the build-up, let's add the bass, and some snippets of the plucks. Now I'll add some impacts. Some of the drums. Some build-up drums. And some risers. I'll add the vocals like this before the drop hits. And a small riser. Now let's duplicate the whole track, and make some changes in the second half to make the track more interesting. So guys, our track is now done. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.